Okay, very good. You're absolutely correct. Let's move further and complete this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Complete the rest of the words. Then I'll teach you how we can differentiate between them in the next class. Like we learned three identities, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So in the next class, I'll teach you what if all three comes in one question, then how we'll solve them, or how I need to identify which identity is best for the question. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Because 16 is the square root for 16 is the square root 4, no? Shouldn't it be y minus 4 and y plus 4?
Fine. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Um, this one also. 9 is 9x square is the square for 3x, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be 3x plus 5 and 3x minus 5. Correct, B for. Find the other part, okay?
Okay.
Start with it, please. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. 225 p square.
You
You
want to
want to
write the
write
calculation.
that
Which one?
this one? Yes, ma'am.
Write
So
the
write that
calculation
calculation
family
family
5.
family 5.
It is the
It is
square
the
of
square of
15.
15.
Do you know how
Do
we
you know
solve
how we
it?
solve it? No, ma'am.
Shall I tell you?
Shall I tell you? Yes, ma'am.
See,
See,
I need to
I need to find
find 225, right?
25, right? Yes, ma'am.
I think there
I
is
think
a
there is
problem
some
with the
problem
ball.
with the ball.
It is
It
equal
is good for
to solve from
solve
1
from
to 5.
1 to 2.
Then we'll
Then
move to
we
the
move to the
calculation of
calculation of
numbers.
numbers. What, ma'am?
We'll solve
We'll
from
solve
10
from 10
to
to
22. Then
22.
we'll
Then
do
we'll do
factorization of
factorization of your voice is not audible, ma'am.
uh,
Uh,
we're going to
we're
start
going to
with the
start with the
11 till
11 till 2. Okay.
20. Only these three are left and solve them as well. Then we'll start with the main questions, the number one.
Yes, ma'am.
So we need to factorize this. For finding the square root, the simple method is using prime factorization. Okay. So
Okay.
how we can prime factorize it? Do you know prime factorization? That we find solve the number using only prime numbers. Now
Yes, ma'am.
225, is it divisible by any prime number?
No, ma'am.
Yes, it is
Yes,
divisible by both
ma'am.
3 and 5,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So we can
Yes, ma'am.
start with 3. Then we
Yes, ma'am.
divide it by 3, we will get 75, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then 75, we can again divide it by 3, we got 25. Now 25 is easier because we know that that's the square root for 5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
When we'll complete with the prime factorization, we'll write it like this, that 225 square root we have to find. This is the square root. That means it is the square of which number? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We take two square roots are taken out to find one number. Like there are two, three, so I can take only one out of the square root. Similarly, out of two, five, I can take only one five out of the square root. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
16 to 5 is 15. So that means this is the square root for 15. So the
Okay.
question, we can write that. Question, we can write it as 15p minus 4, 15p plus 4, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In the exam, normally the factorization part is seen more, especially with numbers. After this, we'll discuss that also. Okay.
Okay.
Finally solve for that. Do you want me to scroll it down where we did the square root part?
Now,
Uh, part of the question. First, I'll tell you how we solve it. Okay.
okay.
Sorry. Remember we did this part yesterday also. That
Yes,
first I
ma'am.
need to break the number in such a way that the addition will give me 105 and subtraction will give me 95, but the numbers should be same. Now can I write 105 as 100 plus 5?
Yes, ma'am.
And if I'll subtract them, am I getting 95?
Minus. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that means I can write it in this form, and this can be used in identity to make
Yes.
a square minus b square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That is 10,000 minus 25 is 9975, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's way we'll solve the question. But the main thing is, see, in there, here we are solving lot of questions on a single part. In exam, there will be only one single part, so we'll you write it like using identity a plus b, a minus b equals to a square minus b square. We need to proper it mentioned like this. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
kindly note this one down. Then we'll start with questions.
Over, ma'am.
Yes. You have done till 20, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Finally complete the part. So these are the last. Then we can move to the third topic. I think you don't have the books right now, right?
Which books, ma'am?
School books.
No, ma'am. They have used that books in Monday, ma'am.
Okay, no problem.
Why, ma'am?
Just asking. Because the book, these are like the book questions only. Most of
Okay.
them will be same. That's all.
Okay.
Well,
Ma'am,
hmm?
I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, yes, please tell me.
Ma'am, you are doing these multiplication problems, right, ma'am? Uh,
Yes,
in textbooks also, these problems was come. We do this method only, the answer will be correct, ma'am.
yes, yes.
Yes.
That's the only way of solving the question. I'm teaching you from textbook point of view. Don't worry about that, okay?
Okay.
So that
That
I
will not
hmm?
be wrong, ma'am.
No, no. Just follow the format that is write the identities. Like I told you, no, using this identity,
Okay, ma'am.
follow that part and solve it in the way I'm teaching. And that will not the marks won't be deducted. Don't worry about that. Okay.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
But if you will not put the identity, then marks can be deducted. Like if in any question I'm using any identity, so I need to put the reason that I'm using this identity. That's why the answer is this.
Okay.
Okay.
And the teachers was not remove the marks, right, ma'am? We do
No, no,
this like.
not at all. No,
Okay.
not at all. Just you need to mention the identity you're using and follow the questions stepwise. That's it.
Okay.
So now you understood, right? How we solve it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Our factorization part for a plus b whole square was left. Now we can start with that. Then our three identities will be completed. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So remember we did these two identities. We'll start with them individually. We did the identity of a plus b whole square. Can you tell me that?
A plus B
Hmm?
plus 2AB
A square
plus B
plus
square.
b square plus 2ab, right?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
you will be given question in this format and you have to change it in this format.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Then how we can do it? I'll tell you that. Like suppose we are given a question of 4x square plus 2y no, plus 16y square plus 16xy. And we need to they will just say evaluate. What they will say? Evaluate.
Well, we.
Now, you need to think or factorize. You need to think what I need to do with the question yourself. First, you will think of all the identities. In which identity do you think there is a AB? An A plus B whole square and an A minus B whole square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, then think, first of all, can I write it as anything square?
2N whole square, ma'am.
Yes, 2n whole square. And what about this?
6. 16, ma'am. That one.
Yes, 16, right?
6. 4Y whole
4y.
square.
Can it be written as 2 times 2n times 4y? Check, is this correct? Am I able to get this?
Yes, ma'am.
We are able to get this. That means we are on the right path, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, we got a square, b square, 2ab. So can
Okay.
for a square plus 2b square plus 2ab, the thing to change the identity is a plus b whole square.
Yes, ma'am.
I can write it as 2x plus 4y whole square.
Yes, ma'am.
But we can't leave the question here. We need to write it like this. If you leave the question at only square, half mark will be deducted in the half mark will be deducted by the teacher. Okay. So factorize means you need to write it till the last form, like after which it can't be factorized further. Okay. So
Ma'am,
hmm, yes,
first we want to write 2n plus 4y whole square. Then we want to write that part.
yes, yes, yes.
We want to write these two parts also.
Yes, that's the important part of the question because they are necessary, because in factorize means that write it till the end, and the identity is a plus b times a plus b. We write that as whole square. So we need to put it in original form.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Like what I want to say. This too, you want me to tell you that you will write it again or not?
Yes, ma'am.
See, this means that square, right? Square means writing the number, multiplying the number with itself.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why we wrote it only in the two ways. The power will be one. There will be no two in the further answer.
Okay.
Okay.
There we want to write the same numbers, right, ma'am?
Yes,
2
the same
plus y,
number.
2n plus y, 4y plus 2n plus 4y, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes,
There is
ma'am.
no other point of writing the question. Just the thing is that in maths, standard answer is preferred, and standard answer is writing it in this way.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll write
Okay.
it in standard form because in exam otherwise half mark is deducted. So we will write it accordingly because if we can score good marks or full marks, why should we lose half mark, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So shall we move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll follow a few questions on this. I'll give, since the next class will be on Monday, I'll give a few questions on
Okay.
combination of all three of them so you can easily do them. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So 1 minute, let me open it. Start with these questions like we did that one. Start from question number 15, okay? Like in backward order.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, I want to start to solve the problems from 15 now.
yes, yes. If you want, you can start from first also, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah. Just the thing that we have to keep in mind is identifying a square, b square. The most important thing to identify in the question is 2ab. Okay,
Okay.
because here it is okay. Negative questions that I'll teach on Monday that requires more attention. I'll tell you why.
Okay. Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, when we solving the problem in the identity of a plus b whole square, we want
yes.
to write 2ab in a middle point answer.
Like in this way you want. Yes, we'll write it like this. That what is A and what is B.
No, ma'am. In that one, in first answer,
Hmm.
x square plus 2x plus 1. Right, ma'am? Question is right,
Yes,
ma'am. The answer is that one answer is x whole square plus 1 whole square plus 2, 2 into 1 into x, ma'am. They
yes,
they given the 2ab, ma'am. 2 into 1 into x. That answer is 2x, ma'am. They
yes.
given that answer in middle, ma'am. The
Okay.
x square and y middle, ma'am.
Oh no, that's not a problem since there is plus in between. There is no issues. We can write it like this also, no problem. If you want to put it in middle, that's also okay. We put it at side because then we are. It is easy to remember the identity. That's why. Okay,
Okay.
both
Ma'am,
the
there
ways
is no
are correct.
problem. No
No
problem, ma'am.
problem. No issues in that.
Okay.
Write it in x plus 1 whole square form. That is a plus b whole square is the identity.
Okay.
You need to follow these two steps also.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
kindly write it in full form because marks will be given for these two steps mostly. This will be for half mark, this will be for 1 mark, and this will be for half mark.
Okay. Over, ma'am.
Okay, kindly write the other ones like this because then I'll check them.
Ma'am, please zoom it, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm checking them. You have written them absolutely correct. In exam, just we need to put the identity in this also. Okay.
Okay.
You have just put the answers for the last 5 ones. Hello,
What?
Chaitanya.
Yes, ma'am.
You have wrote the answer in this form only for the last 5 ones.
Yes, ma'am.
What about the rest 10?
What, ma'am?
What about 1 to 10 questions?
I'll write that one. This that also, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So you'll write these also, and I'll share a few questions more that you
Okay,
need
ma'am.
to do, and you need to share it with me
Okay.
before the next class. That will be on Monday. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll see you on Monday. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.